Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how can you check the daily exchange rate into your Wise application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Wise application, and after opening the Wise application, just simply open the application by using your fingerprints or passcode. Then you will be prompted to this homepage directly. And in this page, you will directly get to see the daily exchange rate in here. As you can see here, my first currency is US dollar and I want to convert it into ILS Israeli currency. And for today, 1 USD equals to 3.7113 Israeli currency. This way you can very easily check the daily exchange rate of your currency. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.